Welcome to your 3-minute thinners. Today, it's all about your hips and thighs and your legs. Yes, we're gonna trim down our legs, looking great. So let's begin. The first is a lift to the side. This is lifting your leg out to the side. You don't even have to get down on the ground. Plus you're working this thigh too. Stretch it out. This is working the saddlebags, the sides of the thighs that we really don't like. 2 more. Reach it out, 1 more, that's it. Now cross it in front for your inner thigh sweep. Your inner thighs, really squeeze it in the top there, that's it. No more jigglies on your inner thighs. We'll sweep it away, come on. Sweep in front, we got 2 more. Sweep, really squeeze it as you sweep. Squeeze, last one, beautiful. Okay, standing up nice and tall, reach the other leg out now, and leg lifts and up. Try to think good posture. If you need to lean on a chair, that's okay too. That's all right. Pull your abs in, strong bodies, that's it. Stand up tall. Lengthen this leg too. Good, we got 3 more. Lift that leg, come on. Saddlebag slimmers. You can do it. Lift, last one. Beautiful. Okay, inner thigh sweep. In front, bring it across and release. Bring it across and release. There you go. Really squeeze it at the top so you feel it in your inner thighs. This is all about the inner thighs now. All right, now really squeeze it. There you go. Feel it. This is a great way to firm up the inner thighs. Thinner thighs. Last one. Beautiful. Okay, turn to the side now. I want you to do just a low lunge, but just a little one. And now you stay right here, okay? Just a mini lunge. Don't go all the way down. We're just staying a little low. We're doing a modified lunge. Tighten up through the legs right here, lengthening the front of your thighs. That's it. Great. And now lean forward and lift the back of your thighs. Great for those legs. Great for your calves, the whole lower body. That's it. We got 2 more. We got 1 more. Squeeze and release. Let's go to the other side. First, it's a lunge. Just do the best you can. Just a lunge. Just feel it. We're only going halfway down, so we're modifying the lunge. That's it. Good. Last one. Now bring it out. Squeeze. Lengthen the legs. Sexy legs. Come on, you can do it. Thinner thighs. Lengthen them. We got 2 more. Last one. And release. Give yourself a nice deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and a big hand. Yay, you did it. Congrats.